believe you. That is the worst performance you have ever put on, and you have been dancing for years.
Mom, I'm trying.
Not hard enough if you want to be the lead.
Mom, please just calm down. It's not that big a deal.
Really? Calm down? You want me to calm down? Maybe if you just lost a few pounds, you'd be just like Kate.
Mom, stop.
Stop? I'm not gonna stop. Come on. You and I both know it's true. They only put the skinniest ones up at the front. You know it's true. I've only wanted the best for you. You know this is why I do this. What is wrong with you? Why can't you do any better than me? You should lose a few pounds. Look like that? It's ridiculous. You